This video was designed to demonstrate the performance of certain 3M safety and security films in a simulated forced entry retail scenario. Text continues. Man and woman stand outside retail shop window.
Smash and grab crimes can have a significant impact on your business. You need a window film with exceptional performance to help reduce losses due to smash and grab crimes by making entry more difficult. The latest development in window security films is here. 3M ScotchShield Security Window Film S2400 combined with 3M Impact Protection Attachment Sealant is designed for flexibility, impact absorption, and fragment retention.
Smashed film.
With its advanced technology, it can help delay intruders and provide extra response time by slowing the intruder down, aiding in the protection of occupants and assets.
Extra layer of protection, high energy absorption.
Several features enhance the performance of this security window film, helping provide an extra layer of protection to your existing glass.
Mallet.
The polyurethane construction of S2400 provides greater tear strength and elongation than PET resin film of similar thickness, allowing the film to absorb impact.
A slow-motion playback depicts the deformation caused by the impact of the mallet. Text, faster bond to your glass.
Its flexibility allows it to be installed and trimmed on windows like thinner PET-based films. It also has a faster dry time and adhesion build when applied with application solution. For more information, visit 3m.com/S2400 or contact your 3M authorized window film dealer.
Logo, 3M. Science. Applied to life. Text, important, this is an overview of product features and benefits. Prior to product selection, always refer to the current 3M technical data sheet and 3M technical specifications for more. Disclaimer continues.